All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's vibe is going to be a chicken bacon ranch burrito. Let's get to it. So first, we're going to start off by laying our bacon on a baking sheet. We're going to put it in an oven at 400 degrees. Let it cook until it's nice and crispy. And if y'all know me, y'all know I love a good piece of bacon. Okay, so while my bacon is in the oven cooking, I'm going to butterfly some chicken breast. That way the chicken can cook more evenly and it can absorb the seasoning better. Now I'm going to season it with some pepper, a little bit of salt, and some low sodium Creole seasoning. I have some avocado oil that's heated in the pan. I'm gonna fry my chicken breast 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Then once it gets to the color that I like, I'm gonna finish it off in the oven. Now that my chicken is finished frying in the skillet, I'm gonna pop it in the oven until it reaches an internal temperature of 165. Okay, to the skillet, I'm going to add some onions, and a little bit of jalapeno because I want this chicken bacon ranch to be a little spicy. And give it a little stir. Soak up all that flavor from the well seasoned chicken. And it's just something about sauteing onions, bell peppers, any kind of vegetables. It just sends a wonderful melody throughout the kitchen. Okay, guys, now that my chicken is in the oven, my vegetables are done sauteing. Let's get into this homemade ranch dressing. Okay, so first off, we're going to start off with about a cup of Duke's mayonnaise. And guys, whatever mayonnaise you prefer, it's your choice. I like Duke's. Um, After Duke's is Hellman's. Next, I'm gonna add maybe a half a cup of sour cream. I'm going to add in some chives. Add in some parsley. A little dry dill weed. I went to the store, guys. I tried to get some fresh dill weed. For some reason, they were out. I don't know how. Maybe everybody wanted to make something with dill weed. But nevertheless, it's still gonna taste good. And give a little squeeze of some lemon. Just give it a little whisk. Okay, to my dressing, I'm going to add, because I can, a little bit of my Creole seasoning. Well, not my Creole seasoning, but it's the Creole seasoning that I like to use. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. And a little bit of salt. And guys, like always, the ingredients to the ranch dressing and the bacon chicken ranch burrito is going to be down in the description. Give it a little stir. Okay, so right now, as you see, it's looking a little thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little buttermilk to it to loosen it up. And it's going to give it that little tang taste, that little ranch. Let's see. Okay, guys, this is the consistency that I like. That's the consistency that I like. Mmm, delicious. All right, guys, now it is time to assemble the chicken bacon ranch. First, I'm going to add some chicken to the pan. Next, I'm going to add my chopped bacon. Going to add some shredded cheddar cheese. Now we're going to add some of the homemade ranch that we made earlier. That's about enough. Let's go in and give it a good mix. Let's add those sauteed onions and jalapenos to the mix. While I'm at it, let's add a little parsley. Now let's give it a good mix. Make sure we incorporate all the ingredients. Get that ranch dressing worked around all the chicken and the bacon. All right, that is looking good. All right, guys, so fair warning, I am not the best burrito roller, but we're gonna give this a try. First, I'm gonna add a little guacamole on top of my burrito shell. Now let's add some of that delicious chicken bacon ranch. I like to add a little diced tomatoes to mine. And top it off with a little bit more shredded cheese. And a little bit more of that crushed bacon. Okay, guys, let's see what we're working with. Now remember, I am not an expert burrito roller, but we're gonna give it a try. Okay, okay, guys, I think we did pretty good. But we're not finished yet. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this bad boy on the skillet and let it get a little crisp to it. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for on the bottom. Now we're gonna flip it over and do the other side. Okay guys, so this is the final product. As you see, it is looking delicious. And I bet you it's gonna taste delicious. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cut into it. Oh yeah, look at that. Now the only thing left to do is give it a taste. All right guys, let's dig into it. Guys, the homemade ranch is on point. The flavors coming from the chicken is on point. Everything is on point. And like I always say, the flavors are hitting on all 10. And if you guys like the vibe we did with the bacon ranch and chicken, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel.